What's up, guys? Today we're going to be going over how to actually read scale diagrams. Usually scale diagrams are written on a chord chart, like so. But they're usually written on that. So let's get started. The first thing is these vertical lines going up and down. Those are the strings. So this would be the low E string, and then the A string, the D string, the G string, B string, and E string. And this paper kind of makes it easy for you because it goes from the thickest to the thinnest, and the low E string is obviously the thickest string. So you look at your guitar, you see the thickest string, that is this string. This is what that resembles. Sorry for the autofocus here. Okay, and then the horizontal lines going across like this, these represent the frets. So this would be the first fret, second fret, third fret, fourth fret, and the bottom one right here is the fifth fret. And this right here, up here, is the nut. This thick black line here is the nut. Okay, or the top of your scale. We'll get there. But basically the horizontal lines mean the frets. This one only goes up to the fifth fret. Okay, so let's get started in actually reading some notes on here. So I'm gonna write in a scale, and let's stop here. Now, there we go. So let's stop here. These black dots, they represent the notes. Okay, so, or what you're actually going to play. Now, let's focus on this one right here. This one is played on the second fret of the low E string. So you have the first fret here, and then second fret of the low E string, right? And then you go up to this. So you play this, and then you go up to play that. So this is the second fret, then you count up. Second, third, fourth, fifth fret. This is the fifth fret of the low E string. So you play this, and then you play this. And then you go to the next string, and then you read what's on here. So this is the second fret of the A string. You read this. Okay, you play this. Now you know that it's on the second fret of the A string now. You play that, and then you go up 2 frets, right? Because this is the second fret, third fret, fourth fret. Then you play this note. And that's exactly how you practice these scales. This is how you read this kind of stuff. So if you're going up like this, you can probably recognize what kind of scale this is. This is a minor pentatonic scale that we're going to learn about in another video. But basically you read it vertically. You read it going down, and then you go to the next string, and then you go down, next string, down, next string, down. Okay, so this particularly starts on the second fret. You go to the fifth fret on this E string, then you go to the next string, you go to the second fret of the next string, which is right here. Go to the fourth fret, because it says so, and then go to the next string, the D string. You're going to go on the second fret, and you're going to go back up to the fourth fret again, right? 2, 3, 4. Go to the G string, go to the second fret, okay, and then you go to the fourth fret, right? 2, 3, 4. Okay, and it's just the same thing going up. Go to the B string, you're on the second fret, and then you go up 3 frets to the fifth string, right? 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you play this note. Okay? Alright, now another thing is sometimes they have numbers on the side here, for example 5. All that means is this is now starting on the fifth fret, okay, and everything else over here. And now everything else is in relation to this fifth fret. So for example, this is the fifth fret, and this would be the sixth fret. This would be the seventh fret. This would be the eighth fret. So you really have to pay attention to what's on the side here. Okay, if this was an 8, let's put an 8 there. This would be the 8th fret, and all these notes on here would be the 8th fret. Okay, and then you would count up from 8. So 8, 9, 10, 11. You would play this note on the 11th fret instead of the 5th fret like we did before. You would play this note on the 8th fret, and then go up 2 frets. So 8, 9, 10. You play this note on the 10th fret, and you just keep going up and up and up and up. So I hope that helped out. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more guitar lessons and tips.